on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. A few months back, I put an ICEPURE water filter in my Frigidaire French door refrigerator. You can pick these up for $45 for 3 of them. That beats the price of the manufacturer's water filter by quite a bit, since those cost $50 for one. And at the time, I said I would come back a couple months later, tell you how things are going, because when you see a water filter cost 15 bucks when the manufacturer's is 50 bucks, you think, God, is this really going to work the right way? Is it going to last? And I'm here to tell you that it's now been about 2.5 months and the water tastes fine. There's no leakage from the filter. The ice machine is working fine. The water dispenser is working fine. So I'm here to tell you that you can feel safe trying these for your refrigerator as well. If the filter happens to malfunction over the next few months, I will let you know. Thanks for watching, everybody.